This is the Roomba i5 robot vacuum. This is a really nice vacuum. It has a self-cleaning portal at the back right here. I just upgraded this from a different self-cleaning vacuum. It was also an iRobot. It was just time for an upgrade. It had a lot of wear and tear on it, so this is a really nice one. The i5 is a really great upgrade. It works flawlessly. I was able to import all of the smart maps from the old one. The setup was probably less than 5 minutes. Unboxing it took a couple of minutes, and then getting this one synced up to the Wi-Fi and to all the smart maps was very easy. You can see here on the bottom that just has really nice high quality items right here. This thing really does a lot of good cleaning here. It's got the new rollers on here. And then what I like best about this is just the self-cleaning portal. It just does a really great job. You can see here, it'll just hit the home button here, and then it'll just clean itself. It empties the vacuum. If you have the older iRobot vacuums without the self-cleaning hub, you definitely want to upgrade to this. This is just a really nice feature. It'll empty on its own. It usually empties after it's done with its job. So you'd see it's emptying right here. So that's it. It emptied the inside of the bin, and it just goes up here. You can see right here, this is the bag. It comes with an extra bag right here that you could store in there, and this is rated for up to 60 days. I'm certain it lasts longer than 60 days. I don't have to change this that often, but this is just a great feature. If you have an older Roomba that doesn't have the self-clean base, you absolutely want to upgrade this. It's just such a time saver. And then it's got the same long cord here. You can see I have these cord holders that just going into the wall to protect the cord to make sure it doesn't move. But this is a really great upgrade. It's the iRobot i5 robot vacuum. This is a really great vacuum for your house. Once you get the smart maps dialed in, this just does a fantastic job. Highly recommend it.